What's up guys, welcome back. So today I'll be talking about the adapter for the GoPro for the mic. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today, like I said in my intro, I'll be talking about the adapter, this piece right here, on the little rig that I have on the GoPro. I saw this online and it looked like it was a good idea because it removed from the side of the helmet, so you'll be able to see this clip right here that I have my adapter mounted on the side of the helmet. So when I saw this, it was a good idea because it was attached to the rig, and we're just gonna combine everything in one area. But it does look okay, but you can kind of see the whole rig. It just kind of sticks out too much. It's like it's just too prominent in front of the helmet. So I already did a couple of videos with this rig on and wanted to see how it will look like on the helmet. So it looks pretty good, but after a couple of vlogs already, it's just too much. It's just too much on the helmet. I just got the attachment on the side, then the arm, then the actual GoPro with the rig, the filter, the attachment. Overall, I'll say it's a good buy. I'm gonna probably switch up the setup right here. I'm gonna probably remove the arm and put a different kind of attachment up front of the helmet, so it's gonna minimize everything. I might keep the attachment down here, but we'll see. Overall, if the new mount that I got, I'll show you a quick glimpse right here. I got this piece in a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna attach that onto the helmet. I'll make a review about that and a video about how to mount a GoPro with that attachment. So stay tuned with that guys. I'll make a video about that pretty soon. Well yeah guys, if you gotten this far, subscribe, like, comment, let me know if you like the setup that I have right now, this whole thing. I'll try to leave some links in the description below. You can go decide however you like your helmet to look. If you like a chin mount attachments, side mounts, top mounts, however you want to do it. So, but overall, I like to have it in the front so I can have a first-person view. So like on the bike, facing forward. And the new setup here, you guys watching me talk whenever I look at the camera. Just be safe. I'm trying to be safe with the whole new setup because I'm trying to ride safe and talk to you guys. But for overall, do I recommend this this rig with the attachment? I do. I'm gonna try it out with a different kind of like I said, the attachment to the helmet, and I'll let you know an update later on. But yeah guys, here is a close look on overall the attachment. So you can see the leads coming from the side, the mic on the right side, like a tape on the side. So yeah, that's the setup. I'll probably get a closer glimpse, get a B-roll shot, and have you guys look at the setup closer without me actually riding right now. But yeah, guys, I'll do a separate review. It will be coming soon about the helmet for a Motovlog setup, about if it's a good helmet. So stay tuned for that one. That video is coming out soon. So, oh yeah, guys. So the setup, I'm gonna keep it for a while. If I like it, I'll keep it all together. If not, I might change it up back to the other setup that I had, when the attachment or the adapter is on the side of the helmet. But we'll see. Ride safe, guys. It's a nice summer. Probably by the time I would load up this video, it'll be probably winter. Sorry, guys. I know I delayed on videos, but I'm trying to make more content ahead of time, so at least I have content for the winter. Alright, guys, if you got this far in the video, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Leave some comments down below letting me know what kind of setups you like to use. Chin mount, side mount, top mount, second view. Let me know. Today I'm just gonna head home and head over to the gym. I'm gonna try to work through some legs today. I've kind of injured my knee, and hopefully just trying to be safe. But alright, guys, go out there, ride safe. Thanks for watching. Peace.